In this video, I'll show some of the most beautiful and exquisite yarn available today.
Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia. Expression Fiber Art sent me some of their gorgeous yarn to try out. This yarn is of a very high quality, and the ones I've been sent consist of beautiful and soft fiber blends such as cashmere, silk, and merino wool. While I asked for samples of bright, vibrant, fun colors, Expression Fiber Art also carry more muted colors like earth tones, pastels, tweeds, ombres, and gradients. Once the hank is untwisted and the ties removed, the back of the chair can be used, or someone's outstretched arms, to hold the long loops of yarn while it is wound. Because I do this often, I use an adjustable tabletop yarn swift with a yarn winder for turning this into a center pull cake. So please check out Expression Fiber Art's website and social media sites for more information on their collection of beautiful yarn.